Yeah, I'm waiting for a candidate to come. He is going to appear for E.C.G.C. interview. So I'm waiting for him to join us. Yeah, he is coming. Good. Hello. Yes, please. Please connect. Please connect again. काशिश सिंगला आपका कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, थोड़ा देख लीजिए और एक बार देख लीजिए, कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है. हेलो. Audio not connected. You are attempting now. Good. सही है. Good. Are you able to hear me? Please speak. आपका आवाज अच्छा 1 minute. अभी बात कर लीजिए.
Hello, sir.
Now it is audible. Good.
Okay.
Yes, I forgot to attach it there. Good. Now.
Okay.
Yeah. Which date is your interview with EC?
Sir, interview dates are not yet available.
अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. So please introduce yourself happily.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this chance to introduce myself. Myself, Kashish Singla. I am basically from Malot, Punjab. I have done my schooling from DAV School, Malot. I have done my graduation in BCom from DAV College, Abohar. I am very enthusiastic, self-motivated, good behavior, friendly person. My father is a salesman in a private utensil making industry, and my mother is a homemaker. My short-term goal is to get the job in and long-term goal is to achieve a high position in that organization.
Good. Excellent. Now, what do you know about E.c.g.c?
Sir, E.c.g.c is basically an export credit guarantee organization which provide export credit guarantee to the exporters as well as provide guarantee schemes to the banks which make available the funds to the exporters for their pre-shipment and post-shipment requirements or their raw materials or anything etc. they want. The banks require the guarantee for that. E.c.g.c also provide guarantee to the exporters. It is established in 1957, 30th July 1957. Currently, M. Senthilnathan is the chairman and CA and MC of the E.c.g.c.
अच्छा जी, ये E.c.g.c वेबसाइट हमको हिंदी में आता है, इसको कैसे इंग्लिश करवाएंगे?
सर टॉप में एक लिंक है सर, go to the website in English. Just first link sir.
इधर में लोगोन
Sir, इसमें click here for E.c.g.c website.
अच्छा,
just
click E.c.g.c website.
Yes sir.
E.c.g.c.ltd.in. Welcome to E.c.g.c. I am an expert.
Yes sir.
I am a banker. पहले बार ये देख रहा हूँ, ये देखा नहीं. अच्छा, लेकिन इसमें E.c.g.c home तो पुराना वाला, again it is going to that. Let me go for this. Your last session is expired. Click here to log in again. It's okay. Now, actually, you tell me about the assistance given by E.c.g.c to
Yes sir.
exporters.
Sir, exporter, there are so many products available to the exporters. So based on their requirements, the E.c.g.c provide them the required products. For example, there are so many policies being sold to the exporters by the E.c.g.c. For example, e.c.g.c turnover-based policy, comprehensive risk-based policy, buyer exposure policy, IT-enabled services policy, software project policy, etc. Based on the requirements, e.c.g.c provide basic products and services to the exporters. The main and the basic thing for the e.c.g.c is to get them cover against the risk involved in the credit of the exporter to the countries where they are not known to each other.
What are the risks in international trade?
Sir, there are certain risks. For example, there are a political risk. There are civil wars. The exporters, the importer may be defined as insolvent or bankrupt. The importer may not be able to pay the amount on the certain period of time, which is 4 months after the shipment of the product. And there may be the economic issues as well in that country. For example, if a country restrict the product to not to make payments for the specified product because the balance of payments or balance of trade get this imbalance. So there are credit issues against the countries where we ship our products.
Super. How do you know about all this? What is balance of payment?
Sir, balance of payment is mainly the balance of payment we can define as a payment, the difference between the our total inputs, or we can say income, or the expenditure difference between.
No. Okay. Balance of trade, that is not correct. Balance of trade is difference between imports and exports.
Exports and imports, yes, sir.
Yeah, but you told is that income, it should be imports and exports. Good.
Okay.
Now, why should a country make exports?
Sir, for the benefit or for the profit making and growth of any country, there is a necessary need to export our products which we have in surplus quantity or from which we can get earn profits. We need foreign currency or foreign reserves for our payments to the exporters from where we get our shipments. So there are so many. For example, we need to pay our for the payments of oil, or the country also needs certain foreign reserve currency for their future reserve, and also for the profit making of the country for the goods being shipped to other countries.
Yeah, good. Can you tell me, no, but the main reason is that we need foreign exchange. Of course, you told that very nicely. Now,
yes, sir.
Who is the minister in charge of exports and all in our country now?
Sir, Union Minister for Exports is S. Jaishankar, sir. And Exim Bank, the head of the Exim Bank is Harsham Hangari.
Okay, but you said S. Jaishankar. Jaishankar
Yes.
is the External Affairs Minister.
Sorry, sir, sorry.
Then the Union Minister for in charge of exports, that is Commerce only. Union Minister for Commerce and Industry.
MSME, Narayan Taturane.
Or Piyush Goyal. Department of Commerce is
sir.
Piyush Goyal. And
Yes.
This is what it is. Good.
And for MSME, sir, Narayan Taturane.
Yeah. You are from which state?
Sir, I am from Punjab.
Punjab. Acha, good. Punjab से क्या export होता है?
Sir, from Punjab, there are certain things that, for example, wheat is major source of export from here, as it is a wheat surplus state. Rice, sir, basmati rice is very much exported from here. And sir, type of orange, we can say kinnu, sir. Kinnu is very export from here. And other things like we can say, sir, sugar cane. Sugar also exported, sir.
Sugar cane may not be exported. Sugar may be exported, no? Are they exporting sugar cane? I don't think so.
No, sir. It's sugar. Only sugar.
Yeah.
Yes.
That is right. Now tell me, what are the 10 top export commodities which India is doing?
So top 10 exporting commodities include, I'm not, sir, very much sure about that, but according to me, it must be, sir, rice.
No, no,
wheat.
no. When you search in Google, are you a member of my Telegram group?
Yeah, no, sir.
No. अच्छा 72020 में member हो जाओ जी. Please become a member of Telegram group Sivan SIVAN.
Just a second, sir. I
Yes.
just type it.
Yeah, and your number is 92169. Now 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
One,
SIVAN.
oh, now I am giving it there. Telegram
Okay.
group ID is 72020. दे दिया, आपको दे
Okay,
दिया.
sir.
And
Okay, sir.
the top 10 exports
Yes, sir.
I have taken only from Google.
Okay.
I have posted to you in your WhatsApp. Can you read that?
Yes, just a second. Yes, sir.
What are they?
Sir.
Please read.
Yes, sir. Engineering goods, sir, petroleum products, gems and jewelry, organic and inorganic chemicals, drugs and pharmaceuticals, electronic goods, cotton yard fabrics, made-ups, handloom and products, etc. Ready-made garments of all textiles, sir.
Oh. So इसमें से आपका स्टेट से क्या आएगा? कॉटन ही आएगा ना क्या? कॉटन होता है?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cotton होता है, sir.
कॉटन yarn होगा आपसे.
Ludhiana is also a hub of sir, hosiery industry, sir.
Very good, very good. That's really good.
Yes.
Acha ji. Now, can you tell me what are the major India's major imports?
Sir,
India's major,
import.
of course, it is not required for our E.c.g.c. because E.c.g.c. is not giving money or encouraging for imports. What are the
Okay,
major
sir.
imports?
So the first of all we need is our petroleum and crude oil. Second, India is also second largest consumer of the gold.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, just giving you that that material link also. Again, I have taken only from our Google. अभी दे दिया, देखिए.
Yes, organic chemicals, plastics, plastic particles, animal vegetable fats, iron, steel, optical, technical, medical apparatus, or inorganic chemicals. Done, sir.
Yeah. In fact, if you go to Google and search, you are getting a question. What are India's major imports and exports?
Okay, sir.
So इसको mug-up कर लीजिए. ठीक है, that will
Yes,
be
sir.
very good.
Okay.
That will be good. That's right.
Yes.
Now tell me, why should the E.c.g.c. give guarantees to banks?
Sir, basically, I think that, sir, exporters have not much adequate amount of funds to do so many activities for the exports. For example, they majorly need funds for their raw materials and for the production of their goods. Whenever the goods are produced, they need funds for their shipment as well as their packaging and so many other things which that needs to take place before the goods are actually exported to the importer. So every activity in this steps require funds. Exporters needs funds for their any step of the activity. So E.c.g.c. also provide the guarantee to the bank so that the exporters get also funds from the bank, and the bank get also guarantee for their repayment of their amount. So
No. Is it not the function of banks to give loans? Why should E.c.g.c. comes and give guarantee?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is also a function of bank to give the loans to the exporters, but in this case, there is a huge risk involved
Good.
in this. Thank you, sir.
Excellent. This is the point. That word that particular word should come. That is,
Yes, sir.
export risks are there.
Yes, sir. There is a huge risk involved in this process. So the E.c.g.c, the basic central organization being set up by the government to perform or provide funds as well as guarantees to the banks.
This will do. This particular word where export risk. For example, there may the importer may become insolvent, the importer may default payment purposely.
Yes, sir.
The importer may
Thanks,
say
sir.
the goods are not up to the standard. The importer country may run into problems. So many
Okay.
things. Good.
Yeah.
This, and in order to cover that risk, this, and also in these cases, they are all functioning from a distance is too much, and
Yes, sir.
one doesn't know about the other person.
Others, yes, sir.
And in
It will
order
be
to
new to
give
you.
details about that, e.c.g.c is required, because
Yes.
e.c.g.c has got its representative organizations abroad from whom it will collect information and pass on to our people.
Yes.
Good. What is
They may
meant by packing credit?
What? Sorry, sir.
Packing credit.
Banking credit.
No. Packing. PACKING.
Okay, sir.
Packing.
Okay. Yes, sir. Sir, packing credit can be defined as a product or you can say that it is a type of a loan which is given by a bank to the exporter for there are two there may be two types of loan, pre-packing or no sir, packaging. The goods when they are actually produced needs to be packed very well so that the goods can be reached to the importer in a condition which needs to be they are supposed to be. So the goods needs to be packaging well. The banks may provide loans for the particular packaging needs as well.
No, ऐसा नहीं है. Packing credit का मतलब pre-shipment finance.
Okay, sir.
Pre-shipment finance का मतलब before it is being exported, whatever expenses are being incurred, उसके लिए पैसा चाहिए, and
Okay,
for
sir.
that the loan is being given by the bank. For example, for buying raw materials, for manufacturing raw goods, packing goods, and export.
Okay, sir.
Good. So so can you please repeat why? What is packing credit?
What is packing credit, sir? Sir,
Same.
packing credit.
Same question.
Okay, sir. Sir, packing credit is a tool which is a type of a loan provided by the banks to the exporters for their packaging, for their exporting, and for their needs, so that the goods which are supposed to be exported to the importers can be exported successfully.
No, actually, you told it, but the words like purchase of raw materials, manufacturing, packing,
sir.
these should be used so that
Okay.
you are making them know that you are in the know of things, of how things are going out. That is the
Okay.
reason. Good.
Okay,
Have
sir.
you heard what is post-shipment finance?
Sir, post-shipment finance can be defined as a tool, sir. For example,
Now, these are
sorry.
all banking terminologies. Post-shipment finance is a facility given by the banker after the export has been made.
Okay, sir.
That is, normally the exporters will be getting a letter of credit favoring themselves being issued by the importer's bank.
Okay, sir.
And based on that, the bank will negotiate or purchase the bill and give the money to the exporter. And in case it is getting defaulted, for that the guarantee is post-shipment guarantee is there, given by e.c.g.c. And the facility that is given to exporter is known as post-shipment finance.
Okay, sir. Sir, it is somehow similar to factoring also.
No. Factoring तो दूसरा है. Factoring is that, say, factoring का मतलब, see, I am selling goods to some people. I am not sure about its recovery. हमको पैसा जल्दी चाहिए, इसलिए I will be selling it to factoring agent.
Okay, sir. Okay. Bill, discounting of bill.
No, discount नहीं, factoring agent. Discounting is done by banks.
Okay, sir.
Banks अपना वो बिल आने से तो उसमें स्टैम्प सब लगा के उसको परचेज करेगा, उसमें से 10% 15% अपना पास मार्जिन रखेगा, बाकी को क्रेडिट करेगा, वो भेजेगा, उधर से पैसा आएगा तो वो बीपी को एडजस्ट कर देगा, बाकी को अकाउंट में क्रेडिट हो जाएगा. इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा तो bank will make a claim on e.c.g.c for payment under post shipment guarantee.
Okay.
Good. Now it's good. You seem to be knowing more about e.c.g.c. thoroughly. Not a problem. Good.
Okay.
What do you understand by KYC?
Sir, KY is a know your customer. It is a full form or abbreviation of the KYC. In this process, sir, bank needs to be know about their customer in a very well position. For example, they must be in acknowledge of the, you can say, Aadhaar card or the personal verification of the account holder person with the proof of maybe PAN card as well.
Good, not bad. No, you must, if possible, you can remember the six documents, like say driving license,
Okay.
Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Card, voter ID. Then the other one is passport.
Okay.
ये सब 6 documents का नाम बताने से बढ़िया है. Good.
Okay.
Very good. So what is your father?
Sir, my father name is Vishwajit Singla, sir. He's a salesman in a private utensil making industry, sir. Working for the last 25 years in the same industry.
I think this second time we are talking, or first time?
Yes. No, sir. Second time. This is second.
I thought this utensil. तो पहले बार.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Excellent. That's good. Now, what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies include, sir, listening songs of my regional, like Punjabi songs as well, and also traveling is my hobby at sir most. I love to travel from various parts.
What are the other states you have visited?
Sir, I have visited, sir, Amarnath, Baba Amarnath Shrine, sir, in 2013. I have visited, sir, Himachal Pradesh also. I have visited, sir, one time Tamil Nadu also. When I get an opportunity to play for my national team in handball, I visited. Yes, sir.
You played for national. Acha.
Yes, sir. Okay. I visited Karur, sir. Here the championship was held, sir, in 2018, and nearby states, sir.
Handball ka game. What is handball? I have
Sir,
not.
it is very
Like
much similar to football.
volleyball.
No, sir. It is similar to football. Just like football is played by foot, handball is a short ground, not very much long and broad, sir, like football.
And
it is a 14-meter ground.
Is it famous in India?
No, not very much, sir. But this time, Indian women team has won a silver medal in, sir, South Africa games.
Acha.
Yes,
which country tops in handball?
Sir, sir, I didn't remember its name. Croatia, sir. Croatia.
अच्छा, अरे भाई.
Yes.
ओहो, पहले बार हम सुन रहा हूँ हैंडबॉल. तो पहले कभी सुना ही नहीं है. Good.
Yes.
You were more interested in that. Apart from that, what other games do you play?
Sir, I play frequently, sir, badminton and sometimes some cricket. And volleyball I play, sir, recently. More occasionally, sir.
Good.
Sir,
volleyball mein which state is topping in the list?
Sir, this time volleyball is won by, I think, Tamil Nadu, sir. Tamil Nadu team.
Most of the times Tamil Nadu.
Yes, sir. Tamil Nadu.
Most of the times Tamil Nadu. Good. Excellent. Yes. You are more or less through all the questions that I've asked. Very nice. Then best wishes. Prepare for e.c.g.c. So maybe 3 or 4 days before interview, you can take another mark so that we can cover mainly current affair aspect of it, if at all they ask. Yeah.
Okay.
For example, that minister list and all, you are not thorough. एक बार पढ़ लीजिए.
Okay, sir. Sir, cabinet minister.
Cabinet ministers.
Okay.
Union cabinet ministers, state cabinet ministers. आपको पता होना चाहिए. Good. You are doing very well. कोई चिंता नहीं. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, may I get my feedback?
Feedback is good. 9 out of 10. I don't want to give more than 9. That is the reason.
Thank you, sir.
I can give you 9.5 also. I don't want to give. Let me give 9 only. Because one, you are very smiling always. I think I must have told you last time also. And you are very clear in expressions.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
And
sir.
language is also good. How many siblings do you have?
Sir, I have 2 siblings, elder sister and younger brother.
Acha, whenever they ask about daddy and all, don't tell the name, tell only
Okay.
the profession he is doing.
Okay, sir.
What is your mother? Is she working?
Homemaker.
Homemaker. Good. But yeah, no
Yes, sir.
problem. You are doing
Okay.
very well. You are doing very well. Be
Thank you, sir.
reading, let the interview come. Before that, 3 or 4 days before that, you can
Okay,
come
sir.
once. That will do. There is no need for you to take again and again. But be following my Telegram group and
Okay, sir.
also my videos.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah. Best wishes. This
Thank you,
will,
sir.
I'll post this video in YouTube after about 15-20 minutes. You can also.
Sure, sir.
Thank
Sure,
you.
sir.
You are done.
Thank you, sir.
You are done very well.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.